Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. Except this one might be a little special. This week I spent a lot of time sketching on my iPad instead of on like SpiritSai or in my sketchbook, which is like fun and convenient and also like kind of a pain in the ass because the Procreate time lapses are really short and I don't think there's any way to export the whole thing like with no I don't know, like I don't really understand how Procreate makes the time lapse because it looks good. Like it doesn't look super sped up because my videos, you know, I'm happy with the quality and all, but it's a lot. Like they're very fast and like, I don't know, that's how all the speed paints were back in the day and how I still choose to do mine. Maybe I'll change it in the future. I don't know. But anyway, I'm not really used to that. So doing a Sketchbook Sunday video in Procreate isn't really possible because I would need to spend like 10 hours in order to fill up the 4 minutes, like 4 minutes and 30 seconds that I give myself for these videos. So instead I put 4 drawings in, and at the very end I put in what I was going to use for this video because I realized all the recordings were so short. But then I was like, nah, I don't want to make a mediocre video. Let's just import all of these recordings and stick them all together. So yeah, I guess I could do that more in the future, make like sketch pages and all that, because I do like the time lapses from Procreate. They're very nice. They're easy to keep up with. You can actually see what's going on. But yeah, this is just a bunch of like doodles of the different tiers of my little species that I haven't really worked on and I'm just not happy with them. So I wanted to make a little Weebly website, which I probably won't share publicly for a little while because that's gonna involve me writing things, and you guys know well, not that anybody would know, I guess. I just am not the greatest writer. So, and you know, I don't necessarily want to write a book, but I still want the stuff on the website to, you know, be cool and not sound like a 3-year-old wrote them. So yeah, that's what all this is. I just did the 3 like main tiers, like general tiers, I guess, is how I've been like imagining them in my mind. And at the end, oh yeah, and the one with the symmetry, that was just from like, I was so excited about how the opal drawing turned out. I really liked it. I like drawing head-on characters, and like the symmetry just makes it like 1,000 times funner to draw head-on. So yeah, I just did that so I could use it for like a splash screen or whatever. It didn't take that long to draw. So yeah, I mean, it turned out kind of weird. Like I gave her like giant thighs, but I couldn't tell because the symmetry line was like just modifying the way I could see the picture a little bit. But I fixed it in Photoshop, and towards the end you'll see. Yeah. I don't know, not too much to say about this. And look at that, I did a almost full voiceover. But yeah, after this one is just the quick little Photoshop doodle that I did that was going to be this video, and I'm really glad that I decided to not do that and just put all the recordings in one instead. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy the last part there. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.